I'm Lisbeth Muller, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Cuban black bean soup. This has been going on now for about 20 seconds, not even about 30 seconds, because food processors are very fast. I'm going to turn it off, and as you see it, it's going to look something like this. Okay? Place it over here. I'm going to add this in my pot here. Now comes the other ingredients. It's the onions and the green and red peppers. I'm going to add good olive oil. Okay? You want extra virgin olive oil. It's the darker one. And I like to buy the Spanish, the one from Spain actually, because it's really nice quality.